Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I don't know what this is, but I'm almost 100% sure it came from the Pass Around group, so shout out to the Apex Pass Around group. Thanks so much for existing and allowing me to take a look at some of these knives. Usually these knives are available, so depending on what it is, I'll probably have links down in the description where you guys can check this out for yourself as well as other knives. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some of these cool stickers and some other benefits, there is, of course, a link right down in the description. You're supporting me in the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's go ahead and see what we got here. Oh, boy. The ever sharp, the unquestionably sharp F-150 truck spring scalpel. People always ask me what that is. There's a series called Quest for the Ultimate Unboxing Knife that will offer some much needed clarification for some people. Okay, we have a steel wheel. We have not looked at a steel wheel on this channel for a long time. What do we have here? Okay. We have something that is holy moly, what the heck is going on here? Yeah, okay. That is definitely different. What is this? Oh, the Scylla? The Scylla? I don't know. I feel like now it's kind of coming back to me. So we have this very interesting position for, you almost can flick it. Yeah, you can flick it. And then the thumb studs are external stops, but way back here. Look at that. Do they rotate? No, it almost seems like they rotated. Well, part of the issue is sorry, I just realized that I think my camera lens is not completely wiped off, which is why we're getting some glare there. But the studs stick out a little bit further than the frame, which is not optimal. That's something I'll say right off the bat. But it is quite comfortable, absolutely. The profile here is very interesting, very different. I think the pivot needs to be tightened up just a little bit. Actually, let's go ahead and do that just to make sure that that is the case, since this is a first impressions video and I want to make sure that this knife doesn't have something wrong with it. It's usually the case that it just needs a quick turn of the pivot. So you can pick up my tools down in the description as well. Yeah, so that is the case there. And let's check for, it's kind of a front flipper, but it also can kind of be flipped this way. That's interesting. Yeah, you literally... I mean, that's not totally different. It's just a different approach to something that we've seen. It's definitely running on bearings. At least that's what I'm going to assume there. Yeah, it's totally solid now. Okay, that's interesting. Is this D2? I'm going to guess that it is. If I can find this knife, I will link it down in the description for you guys. Sorry about the glare here. I think that's going to be it. That's a weird one for sure, but we need weird because weird is what keeps the whole knife world thing going. And if all the knives were the same, you know, if this was another just G10 liner lock D2, which it kind of is, right? If it didn't have the weird element, it would be one of hundreds of knives that I've shown on the channel already. So I appreciate the weirdness in this guy. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.